Manna tu sole, io pare, oh sole Dio. Ha! I'm being watched. All right, you caught me. Okay, I know it's cheesy, right? Okay, all right. I'm caught. All right, guys, so listen, man. It's been a long day. I'm doing this tutorial. All right, I'm tired, but I wanted to explain this tutorial because I thought it was kind of, important, It's a hot water heater. It's really the heart and soul of your house. You lose hot water, the wife's not going to be happy. And if she's not happy, you're not happy. Especially if you got kids. So a lot of indications here, guys, okay? Number one, if you start to get cold water in the house, a little colder than normal, it's not real hot. They do have a adjustment knob down here. You can turn the unit up a little hotter, okay? At some point, if it's at its highest point, very hot on the indicator, and you're still getting lukewarm water, then that's an indication that you guys need to get a new hot water heater. Another indication that your hot water heater is going bad is there's a puddle on the floor. And if you're lucky, you won't come home to a flood, because I've seen that happen before, and it always happens in the middle of the night. They just burst sometimes. They can burst. I'm going to scare you. But they will just, the whole bottom pan will rust out and they just go. But generally a good indication is they start to leak very slowly. And that's a wake-up call to get the plumber out here, ASAP. Now, they do make an electric one as well. They have two different style heating components. One's a high component, one's a low component. So one heats the water from the bottom up, and then this one keeps the water steady at a certain temperature on the top. Those are a little less expensive for the electric, okay? The gas need to be vented, obviously, because of codes and regulations, and it's a gas system. So, to replace your system, they can run anywhere from $1,200, $1,500, all the way up to $4,500, depending upon how crazy the plumber wants to get. Prices have gone up quite a bit over the years. There's a lot of new codes, so you have to pay for that. But it'll last you, obviously the new hot water heaters don't last as long as the old ones used to. They used to last 20 years. Now they're only lasting maybe, if you're lucky, 10 years. But little FYI, guys and girls, thanks for following my channel. Hit the like button, and we'll see you guys on the next show. Thumbs up. Thank you.